Bullish Fantom cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.85 and $3.49 by 2030. Market examiners accept FTM could reach $1.44 by 2025. Bearish Fantom market cost expectation for 2023 is 32 cents. Fantom presentation. The blockchain is seemingly one of the most persuasive and troublesome advancements of the 21st years. It is changing each aspect of virtual life, making communication and business more available, consistent, and quick. The blockchain is, in any case, not without challenges. A huge test of the innovation is known as the blockchain trilemma. The blockchain trilemma is the apparently unimaginable test of at the same time further developing pace, security, and decentralization. The contention is that scaling pace, well-being, and holding decentralization at the same time is unthinkable without some compromises. A brilliant illustration of this issue is the Bitcoin network, which appreciates refined security and decentralization yet experiences slow exchange speed. This frequently brings about network clog and, therefore, high exchange charges. This trilemma prompted the production of the Fantom project. The Fantom project intends to convey a limitlessly adaptable, secure, decentralized stage for DeFi administrations. What is Fantom? Fantom arose as a stage for brilliant agreements to help the improvement of decentralized finance administrations through its ad-libbed agreement calculation. Fantom runs on the coordinated non-cyclic diagram convention. It will probably send unrivaled exchange throughput for DeFi brilliant agreement stages. Fantom is an open-source, decentralized savvy contract stage for decentralized applications and crypto resources. Fantom gives devices to the consistent reconciliation of DeFi applications in its quest for adaptability, security, and decentralization. As a Layer 1 blockchain, Fantom utilizes an ad-libbed yet clever agreement configuration known as lashes, a free agreement layer. The innovation utilizes brilliant agreements to empower DeFi-related exercises. The model gives huge security, rising above Layer 1 to show Fantom's EVM viable brilliant agreement chain. Fantom can handle huge number of exchanges each second for small charges. At the end of the day, it gives huge versatility for a minimal price. The Fantom environment is fueled by two fundamental tech parts, the lashes convention and show. The lashes gives exchange speed and security, which is the base agreement layer of Fantom. The lashes utilizes non-concurrent Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure evidence of stake agreement to successfully get the Fantom organization and give speed. Then again, the show is an open-source permissionless application improvement climate for facilitating dApps. With its EVM joining and utilization of the robustness programming language, Fantom Canny agreements permit engineers to cooperate with Ethereum applications while partaking in the gigantic throughput effectiveness of Fantom. Fantom has joined forces with Profit's Chainlink to send safer and versatile DeFi items, like stablecoins and engineered resources. Fantom has additionally cooperated with Band Convention to convey continuous on-chain information. One more huge organization was hit with Diagram QL programming interface, empowering information questioning. Different coordinated efforts have been hit with Covalent for admittance to verifiable blockchain information, Anchor for simple blockchain availability, API 3 for secure information takes care of, Creaticals, a NFT commercial center, Polonix, a crypto trade and XP network for the making of Ethereum-based projects. Fantom current cost. Fantom is as of now worth 41 cents USD. FTM has moved 3.22% as of now with an exchanging volume of $203,876,546. Fantom is at present position 51 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,004,409,073 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Fantom to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Fantom market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Fantom Value Forecast 2023. Fantom, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The FTM cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 61 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 57 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. FTM is supposed to have a base worth of 49 cents. Fantom Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Fantom FTM cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of FTM will before long outperform $1.03. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the FTM's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, FTM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 82 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 90 cents. Fantom Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.44 and FTM might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. FTM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.31 and a low of $1.23 in 2025. Fantom Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Fantom effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the FTM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FTM will be green in 2026. The FTM is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.85, with a base cost of $1.64 and a typical cost of $1.72. Fantom Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the FTM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.13 by 2027, with a base cost of $2.05 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, FTM has a most extreme value worth of $2.26. Fantom Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.54. On the off chance that FTM figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.67. Neglecting to accumulate the help FTM needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.46. Fantom Value Expectation 2029. While FTM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $2.87 and a yearly cost close above $3.08 in 2029. Fantom Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Fantom will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3.28 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.49, averaging out at $3.36. Fantom Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme FTM cost